Good morning, good morning, everybody. And the rest of the part of admittance parameter is that we have to solve an example that is given. Find y parameter the network that is input port and that is the output port. The value of this is that is 1 ohm, that is 2 ohm, and now this is 2 ohm. Now this is 4 ohm, and you can see that is I2 B dash, that is voltage to output voltage, and that is V1, that is input voltage, it is A dash. Okay, so solution is that solution. So we have to we know that is what we have to find out. First we have to find out the this is I1 equal to Y11 and V1 plus Y12 V2, and that is I2 equal to Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2. Okay, so we have to find out the I mat. We know this I, that is Y matrix we have to find out, and this is V. Okay, so we have to find out Y11 means, just remember this is the driving point admittance. This is driving point admittance. Okay, and or another name is short circuit input admittance. Okay, then we have to find out the y21 sorry, y21. This is y21 is the short circuit forward transfer admittance or the transfer admittance. So we can say that is short circuit short circuit forward transfer admittance. Short circuit forward transfer admittance, and another form is y12, that is y12, that is called, 1 minute. So another term is y12. This y12, just remember that is called uh, reverse transfer admittance, or you may say that is short circuit short circuit short circuit reverse transfer admittance. Yes স্যার, ক্লাস নিচ্ছি, বলুন। Okay, y21, and now that is y22, that is short circuit output admittance, short circuit output admittance. So we have to find out this. Look, this one is the driving point admittance, and this is short circuit output admittance, and these two are called the transfer admittance. Okay, so one by one we have to find out. This is your circuit diagram, and then we have to find out. So let's start the solution. First one, we have to make this when if we go for the y11 and y21, then we have to go for the v2 is the short circuited. Means if b dash should be short circuited. So what will be the circuit? Circuit will be just like this. Circuit will be just like this. Look here, I just draw this circuit, then I will solve. Here this is the 1 ohm, and this is the 2 ohm resistance. This is the 2 ohm resistance. This is the 4 ohm resistance. Okay, so in this case, whenever this terminal is short circuited, this terminal is short, then this 4 ohm resistor will be just silent. Okay, so only circuit is that in this way. So I can remove this. I can remove this. So this is your the V1. This is V1, and the current is flowing, that is I1. Okay, I2. Okay, so Y11 is equal to I1 plus V1 when V2 is 0. Okay, so we have to make the equivalent resistance. So we are using, that is the Z equivalent is here. So Z equivalent is here. So we know that what is the Z equivalent? Find it out. Z equivalent is this one, and this is parallel. So 1 ohm plus 2 parallel of 2. So it is given 1 plus, and this is multiply 2 into 2, that is 4, and 2 plus 2, that is 4. So it is coming 1. So ultimately it is 2 ohm. So we know that V1 equal to L2 1 Z equivalent. Z equivalent equal to 2 ohm. So V1 equal to I2. V1 equal to Z equal to 2. Look, this is not Y, this is Z. Okay. Then if we go for Z means 1 by Y, or Y is 1 by Z. Okay. So this, if we go for this equation, then it's became 1 by 2. So Y11 means that is, it is I1 by, that is Z I1 by V1 means that is 1 by 2. Okay, because we are putting this over here. I it was cut down, and we get 1 by half. So it is the reverse of this move, as this I1 and this I1 was cut out. Now we have to find out, just like this, Y21. Now we are going to find out, that is Y21. Y21 is just I2 by V2. Okay, so V2 is equal to 0. Now, as the port B dash is short circuited, as the port B and B dash short circuited, short circuited 2 by 4. Okay, and that is means I1 by 2. Okay, so minus I2 equal to V1 by 4, and we can put that Y21 equal to V I2 as V1. Okay, when V2 is 0, it is coming minus of, because it is coming here, minus of this V cut out, and V, that is more. Okay, so similarly we have to find out the Y22 and Y1. Early when E dash is short. This one. So when A dash are is short circuited, okay, okay. So this is A dash terminal, So the equivalent resistance is Y22 as sorry ZEQ. Okay, so Y22 we know that is I2 by V2 when V1 is 0. Okay, so V2 is I2 into Z equivalent. Okay, where Z equivalent is the dB test. So Z equivalent is equal to Z equivalent is equal to 8 by 5 ohm. Okay, so you can find out that. Okay, so Y22 is V I2 by V2 when V1 is 0. So we can write down that 8 by 5 mho. Okay, so now we have to find out Y12. V1 is 0 means A terminal is short circuited. So as